Hey everybody, it's Brandon Robinson down here in Medicine Hat Toyota. Super excited to bring you this video walk around on the all-new Tundra. Now, under the new Tundra is a 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine. Produces 389 horsepower and 479 foot-pound of torque. And I know this looks like a big front end of this truck and a big truck overall, but this new Tundra will actually produce as low as 11.8 liters per 100 kilometers with this gas version, and we have a hybrid version coming as well. Now, coming around the side of the truck, safety is big for Toyota. So we've got LED headlights in the front to give you great nighttime visibility, automatic high beams for nighttime, as well as automatic daytime, nighttime lights, so they'll turn off when it gets dark out, which is kind of neat. And like I said, safety is a big feature. So up front, we've got 13.9-inch ventilated front disc brakes, 13.6 inch in the rear, giving you the ultimate stopping power. Whether you're just driving the truck or you're hauling a trailer, you'll be able to stop this truck no problem. Toyota Tundras come standard with a steel rim, as well as available alloy upgrades, or you can customize it like we've done on this one. Upgraded the tires, upgraded the rims with some aftermarket options, which are kind of fun. Now coming along the side of the truck here, we've got the TRD running boards down below. It's kind of a neat feature you can add on and customize this truck in a lot of different ways. And coming around the backside, you've got this really cool, basically hands-free ability to drop the tailgate. You can also do that from the key fob, but you can do it from the little button on the side of the light there on the higher trim levels, which is kind of neat. One of my favorite features about the new Tundra is this all-new composite bed liner. They've been using this in the Toyota Tacoma since 2005, so tried and tested and proven. Super durable, easy to clean, spray it out, rinse it out, whatever you need to do. Super versatile. And last but not least, if you're looking for a Tundra, you're looking to tow. This Tundra will tow up to 12,000 pounds with an available payload capacity of 1,940 pounds at the maximum trim level. So super cool features, great way to tow your vehicle. And I think that's enough about the outside of the Tundra. Let's go jump inside and I'll show you some more. Now jumping inside the new Tundra, we've got this acoustic front windshield as well as an available drop-down rear window for maximum visibility outside of the truck. All right, starting from the left side, we've got this available 12.3-inch digital display which features all kinds of things like fuel economy, distance to empty, compass, driver warnings, anything like that are going to show up right in front of your face, which is super nice for you as a driver. And then down in the center here, we've got available wireless charging and this all new center console with a bunch of different slides and options for how you open and close it to make it custom to you, which is super cool. All right, so the last thing I want to mention up front is the doors. And I know it seems like a strange thing to talk about on a truck, but I really like these in my Tundra. So what they've done, they finished the doors with this nice Softex material, so anywhere your arms are resting or touching, it's soft and pliable and plush. And one of my favorite features is this shelf they put in at the bottom of the door. So you can rest your elbow, hold the steering wheel, and go on a long road trip across Canada and be in comfort the entire time. Now jumping in the rear of the new Tundra, Crew Max has tons of legroom for your rear passengers, the ability to fit 3 adults comfortably across the back row, and if you're a truck owner, you need storage. So underneath the rear seats is tons of storage available, and you've got the ability to fold down the rear seats for even more storage. Your rear passengers get their own cup holders in the back, as well as water bottle holders down in the door too. So if you feel like the new Toyota Tundra is the right fit for you and your family, give us a call here at Medicine Hat Toyota at 403-526-6228, go to medicinehattoyota.com, or just stop on by and see us. Again, my name is Brandon Robinson, down here at Medicine Hat Toyota, and I'll see you folks soon.